Adding keyframes in Alight Motion. It's pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can add keyframes in Alight Motion. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm at the Alight Motion application. I'm going to tap on this plus icon and I'm gonna add any of the shape in order to show you how to add keyframes. So here you have to go to this option, which is move and transform, and then you have to add a keyframe. Now by adding a keyframe, you can you have saved the location, rotation, and the size. But if you want change it by over time, or you want use the keyframes, you have to move forward in time, or move your layer in time, and then you can select however you want to change the property to be. Suppose if you want to change the position, you can change the position. You can also do the rotation as well, but for rotation you need to create new keyframes. But in our case, we just did for the position. Now as you guys can see, this is how the keyframes will work. So whenever you'll play the video, the position from keyframe 1 to keyframe 2 will change. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.